Hi guys, welcome to another Theodoro Kitchen Lab. Today we're gonna cook chicken gyro on a pita with tzatziki sauce. We are really happy to announce a new partnership with Retos Garden and Artis Products. Great products, high quality, straight from Greece. I suggest to visit the website artisfoodscanada.com or the Instagram page on Artis Foods Canada. So let's get right into our recipe. We're gonna start the recipe, guys, with seasoning the chicken and prepare the chicken. For this recipe I choose simple ingredients, which is gonna be salt, pepper, dry oregano, fresh thyme, Theodoro chicken, secret chicken spice, which we're gonna talk about this more at the end. And yeah, let's start seasoning. So skin side up. Try to be gentle with it, like you see, nice, clean. So for this recipe, I choose thigh, skin on, no bone. So skin, just salt. We just add dry oregano, the fresh thyme, and the Theodoro chicken secret spice, which you're gonna find more about this at the description of the video. So we mix very well. And don't forget, guys, like and subscribe, eh? Let's go into the pan. Nice and hot. I don't add oil, the skin it have already enough. I have already the oven preheat on 400, convection roast. You see, nice. And when we are ready with this, we're going right into the oven. Yeah, nice. Yeah, it smells so good, like already the herbs, like beautiful. Souvlaki is a traditional Greek street food. So the idea behind of it is like pita, meat, and a little bit fresh vegetables like onion and tomato. The newest version contains some potatoes, French fries. This is a very simple way so you can do it at home and you can enjoy it. Right now, we're gonna continue cooking in the oven. So when you flip it, keep it for a couple minutes, and after put it in the oven, 400 convection roast for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. The accurate temperature for that is going to be 81 degrees if you use a thermometer. So we are going to start with the tzatziki sauce. First thing that we have to do is we need to grate the cucumber on the large grater and into a strainer. The amount of cucumber on yogurt, I prefer to be equal. So 1 part of yogurt, 1 part of cucumber. In that case, we have 300 grams of yogurt, 300 grams of cucumber. So we grate first the cucumber because it needs to dry out. We need to drain every liquid inside of it, and we're gonna achieve that adding a little bit salt. We salt it. We mix it. We're gonna put it on the side. 300 grams of yogurt. The chicken is ready. We're gonna put it on the side just to rest a little bit. I'm gonna check the temperature. So yeah, we're ready. It's nice, smelly, tasty, beautiful, crispy. Oh my god. So we put this on the side, be careful, don't get burned, and we leave this on the side. So in the meantime, I'm gonna finely chop the dill. I could say that like maybe half bunch is okay. Dill is ready, goes in. And I'm gonna use one clove of garlic. I'm gonna grate it in straight. Approximately 3 to 4 spoons of red wine vinegar, 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. So we are gonna add salt at the end because we need to see how salty is the cucumber. The consistency is very good, I like it. Yes, let's taste. Clean spoon, always. Perfect. I'm just gonna wait to add the cucumber. I'm gonna give it a little bit more time to strain. We're gonna cut the condiments like the tomato, the onion. For the tomato, just cut the top. And half, and slice it nicely. So the onion, you can cut it as you wish. I choose this way. I think it looks better. Beautiful, and the parsley. So we finally chop. You can use any kind of onion you like white. I prefer red, it's nice taste. You can eat it raw. The white also fits. So in that case, we just put the parsley with the onion. We add a little bit salt. And we mix very, very well. So the cucumber is ready and we're going like right in. The consistency is good. We don't need it like too runny or like something like that. Let's continue with our chicken. So we need to slice the chicken, right? So you thinly slice it now that it's nice and rest. For last, let's taste with the cucumber if we need to add a little bit more salt, but I'm pretty sure that this is perfect. So pita is ready. We are ready to go. This is the best part. Assemble and eat. Traditional way. We're taking a pita. A nice tzatziki sauce. A little bit of the onion. A few slices of tomatoes. And chicken gyro. So at the end, right here, as you are, you're gonna need a little bit of Artius Mount Taygetus oregano, and and a touch of sea salt for the tomatoes and everything to get a little bit more taste. So here we are, and this is chicken gyro on a pita with the condiments. Guys, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you're gonna try it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, feel free and comment. The Theodoro secret chicken spice, you're gonna have the recipe on the description of the video, and soon it's gonna be available on my website, theodoromamais.com. Thank you very much for watching Theodoro Kitchen Lab. See you in the next one.